structure my own AI podcast room and speaking to the public what I learned from the video. So that's what we are going to do. So I'm going to use this person. I know by now you already know how to download and to create your own AI image. So the name of the movie was Every Woman, and I had to make this particular woman to say things to the public. This is your ChatGPT. So I already created the prompt for the ChatGPT. I wanted an African woman in her 20s. So in case if you think okay this is too ambiguous for you to start typing, you can literally use the voice note here to say everything that comes to your mind, like everything that comes to your mind. Say it the complexion of the woman, the color, the dress the woman is wearing, how the woman is walking, the person that she meets, what she's saying, like everything that you want to say, just pour it out to ChatGPT and you can just click here and send it, but I'm not going to send it because I already have my own prompt. So all I just have to do is to copy from here and then paste, and when I paste it, it's going to give me the video that I'm asking for. Okay, so I will go to Chrome because I don't have enough space. So remember I said that you can be able to use your Chrome. So you type Flow AI, FLOW, then AI. And this is just what it's going to give to you. This is actually very free. Once you have a Google account, you are free to use this. Yeah. So there is also paid AI tools like Grok. Okay, this Flow AI has a page because it has a limitation. I think you can only generate like 4 clips, sorry, from it in a day. So we are going to go to ChatGPT to copy the video prompt. Okay, so I already generated the prompt before, as I said. So this is just what it gave to me. So I'll go to the Flow AI. I've already worked on this before, but let's just start again. So what you just have to do is you click on this look at here. So look at this plus sign before the question mark. You click on it, you click on upload media. That is because you already have an image that you want to use. Okay, so I'll just go and bring in my image, which is this woman right down. And when the image comes in, so this is the image. Okay, when it comes in, you are going to see it. This is the image. So once the image comes in, then we start the video generation. So all you have to do is you click here, click on this plus sign, then you click on that image. When you click on that image, you say what do you want to create. You go to ChatGPT. You go to ChatGPT, you will now click on that. Let's see, I recently watched a movie called Every Woman, and honestly it left me with lessons that every man and woman should hear. So this is just the first thing that I want the woman to say. Let's say I will add this too, then I will copy, I will go back, I will click here, I will paste it, then I will say watch you, the lady on blue blazer saying in a professional and calm voice. Okay, so this is what she's going to say. Yeah, this is basically all that she has to say. So and then I'll come to look at this video. I'll click on this video. You see image. So I'm going to use Vivo 3.1 Lite. Okay, so I'll click on it, then here I'll click on video, then I'll click on ingredients, then I'll click on 9:16, as I said earlier, so that it will be able to be viewable in my phone. Yes, so I just have to go ahead and click here. So you see it will go ahead to download the video. Okay, so let's hear what it is going to say. I recently watched a movie called Every Woman, and honestly, it left me with lessons that every man and woman should hear. Okay, so if you just click on it, you see it's downloading. Gotten our image here in this particular font. We can just click here on this plus sign, and then we click on our image again, and then it's asking us again what do we want to create. So we go back to ChatGPT, and it said, first, ladies, please prioritize yourself, you can't pour from an empty cup. And second, okay, so let's copy this. So you remember I said is 5 to 10 seconds, so we basically have to like shorten our words till we get to the point that we want to. So I'll paste this here, and I will be like the lady wearing. By now your frame, your this place is already the same. You don't have to change anything, but I would advise you to go back and recheck that it's still in the same way. Okay, so you go ahead and click here. So this is how you can just download your free promotional video, be it for your business, be it for anything you can ever imagine that you want to like tell to the world or show to the world. Or any AI tools can make mistake, so it's left for you to be able to check it over and over again. And if what it says is not exactly what you want, you can be able to add your own thing. Yes, this is the second one that we downloaded. So why I downloaded it too is that I want to be able to clip them together so that they will be able to say the same thing. First, ladies, please prioritize yourselves. You can't pour from an empty cup. Second, parents, remember that children don't just listen, they imitate. Okay, so we have to go ahead and arrow sign, we download it. So once this is downloaded, we will now go to our CapCut. Click on your CapCut, click on new project, then import the two videos that we just generated. So download it from CapCut and post it to any of your social media handle. Voila.